Think about my nigga, he ain't here no more. Don't think about my nigga, he ain't here no more. I lost my dog, that shit hurt me. When you lose a nigga, you can't get him back. He hold, they be capping for that dick. I leave my Glock at school with my vest. Can't be fucking with these guys, they gon' set you up. Yeah. So that's why I don't trust no hoe. Yeah, they codeine in my lungs, I can't take it back. These hoes, they be going on a young nigga sack. I feel like I'm in God hands, bitch, I gotta get on whack. My nigga, he gon' pay for the feature, he gon' eat his head. Yeah, he wanna smoke, we knockin' niggas dreads. Free counsel wants a cigarette, we'll give it to him. What a beef, what a meat, we gon' cook it to him. We pull up like Michael Jordan to the paint. Yeah, I lost my dog, that shit real sad. When you lose a nigga, you can't get him back. I love my dog, now that shit sad. Can't be fucking with these guys, they'll set you up. Need me find the right hoe, they'll love you up. If a nigga want to smoke, then you can get it. I'm cruising down the street with this lick, yeah. Yeah, this SRT, I'ma push that hoe back. He's speaking on the game, we gon' leave him on his neck. Step on the bitch like her ankle, back his nigga ankles. Nigga, they be capping on the game. No, we can't see him, yeah. No, we can't see him. I love my dog, man. This shit so sad, I miss you right, man. I wish you right now. I wish you on my side, but you know you watching me. Instead of with the hoe, cause they fucking watching me. I do this shit for my mama and my dad, uncle. Niggas that be capping on the game that we can't see them. These niggas that be lapping for the game that we can't see them. RP baby, RP Trey baby. Bitch, I can't be next. If I be next, my family gotta kill that nigga. But when I catch a nigga, we gon' put the bullets to his neck. They choose the 3, bitch, I got one no fist. Yeah, I'm in my dog. He gone and I miss him. RP baby and Trey baby. Nigga know I miss him.